Hurricane hosted Cabell Midland. The Knights looking to snap a two-game skid. Cabell gets it off the rebound. Ethan Taylor goes behind the back, then rolls before sinking it. Crazy moves by him. Knights up 34-31. And we head to the fourth. Knights down 2, working it around. Hurricanes. Larry Dews with a tip here, and he is gone. Check it out. Takes it coast to coast. What a tip by him. And he ain't done there, guys. Oh, here he goes. Does it again. Out of nowhere. Just out of nowhere. Up the center and in for the score. Hurricane now up 43-39. Cabell Midland battled hard until the end, but the Skins run away with it. The final 61-55.